So perfectly, it's done around $6,000, $10,500. Guys, welcome back to my cool YouTube channel. And for those who don't know me, my name is Michael and I'm a professional trader in the field of forex and binary options. So today, as always, my dear friends, I would like to show you how to make millions on the market, and if you want to know how to do this, watch this video right now. So my friends, for today I'm going to use several indicators. So this will be first of all CCI oscillator and Parabolic SAR. So what do we have for now? First of all, I have opened the first buy position. As you can see, we were in the liquidity zone, after which we started to show very good growing reaction. Parabolic SAR is telling us about the long position, that's why we have opened it. By the way, I'm using only short time period of just 1 minute, and I'm investing my whole deposit in each trade so that I can save my time and enlarge my deposit as fast as possible. So now we're just waiting for the result of the first trade. I'm sure it will be profitable one without any mistake. So let's just see. A very good reaction. Just look at this big green candle which is growing. That's so fucking good. That's really nice. And yeah, the first trade was profitable one. Now let's think about the next one. We have changed our investment $360. Let's check USD INR currency pair. What do we have here? So now we have reached a strong level of resistance, and I'm predicting the pullback from that zone. However, let's try to open buy position, expecting the potential breakthrough. I think that we have enough power from this liquidity zone to make the breakthrough of this level. I'm sure that price will show this to us. Let's see, my friends, let's see. Fine, guys, really nice movement. We have $694. That's quite good. This is the second profitable trade for today. Now let's continue and think about the next one. So first of all, we have changed our investment to $694. Let's check out the GPI currency pair. What do we have here? We have a downgoing trend. According to the Parabolic SAR, we have the short signal after the pullback. So that's why let's open the short position here, investing our $694. So perfectly done, my friends. We have $1,318. Now we're going to open the next trade. We can see a very strong downgoing trend. We have some capacity for the drop according to the CCI. Parabolic SAR is telling us about the short signal, so that's why let's open sell position here. I'm going to find the best entry point and change our investment to 30 seconds. And yep, we are ready to start. We have opened sell position here. My friends, don't forget to check the description to this video while I'm trading, because here you'll find amazing and cool link for my private Telegram channel, in which you will get educational materials, daily analytics, and especially trading signals from me. And if you write me a private message telling me, Michael, I want to become VIP, I will automatically add you to my private VIP channel, in which you will get access to the same kind of online trading sessions, and you will be able to start trading and earning together with me online each day and get real cash each day. My friends, this is absolutely free. Don't waste your time, do this right now and be God blessed millionaire together with me. Okay guys, so this trade was once again profitable. We're going to open one more sell position. We have reached a strong level of resistance. CCI is going to show us the short movement. I am going to trade the pullback, and we have opened the sell position here, investing $2,000. So that's it. Oh no, we have the breakthrough of the current resistance level, but let's see, it may be the false breakthrough. And yep, price has just shown us a bearish consumption of the previous green candle. Yes, it's bearish consumption. fine. So price is going to fall right now. It was a false breakthrough. Now price will continue falling, I'm sure. And yep guys, it's done. We have our money. We have $3,000 on the account. We started with just 190. Now we have 3,000 and around 200 bucks. Let's continue. What do we have next? Give me some time while I'm analyzing the market. Let's check USDT RI currency pair. Here we have a very strong upgoing trend. CCI is telling us about the long position, Parabolic SAR also. That's why we have only one option to do, to open buy position here. So let's do this. We have invested 3,000 bucks, $3,000 I invested here. So perfectly done, guys. We have around $6,000 now on the account. Let's continue. Let's check USD EGP currency pair. So here we have a very strong downgoing trend. We are going to reach the level of support, after which I'm expecting the breakthrough of it. Oscillator is also telling us about the short movement. So let's check it, guys. Let's check it. And yep guys, we did it. We have around $10,500. So we turned our 190 bucks into 10,500. If you want to do the same shit like me, subscribe to my private TG right now. Link for it you can find in the description. So do this. Big God blessed millionaire. And I wish you wonderful, successful and profitable day. Thank you and bye bye.